Hi everyone. Today we're showing you how to add a profile picture in ActiveCampaign. If you're new to ActiveCampaign, click the link in the description for a free trial or log in if you're already a user. Let's get started. First, go to the Settings option. Then you'll see the Profile Photos section. Click on Gravatar. Next, create an account on Gravatar and verify it through your email. Once that's done, you can upload your image. Select your image and upload it. Then, return to your ActiveCampaign account and you're all set. We hope this tutorial helps you. And unlock our exclusive free email list building course in the description below. Discover the secrets behind how my team and I earned $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. This valuable training is available at no cost right now. Don't miss this unique opportunity to boost your own success. Thanks for checking out our video. We're grateful for your support and hope you found it helpful. Keep an eye out for more awesome content.